Hello students, today we learn very important part, very important topic, introduction to parallel computing. So when computers were invented, they were designed with one processor which was able to do one job at a time. So it executed multiple jobs one after other in serial fashion. But with the advent of technology, not only computers individual processor become more efficient and fast, but also computer uh, also started coming with multiple processor which were able to execute multiple process simultaneously. The simultaneously use of more than one processor or computer to solve a problem is called parallel computing. So in today's environment, parallel computing is very important because today we can execute more than one processor at a time simultaneously. In parallel computing system, a problem is broken into discrete but independent parts that can run simultaneously without depending upon each other, and each part has its own instruction that can be executed independently. Instructions from each part execute simultaneously on different process. A parallel computing may be achieved through computing resources made available as a single computer with multiple processor cores or arbitrary number of such computers connected by a network. A parallel computing system can work efficiently only if it has proper control or coordination mechanism. So in previous we can understand by this diagram. In previous time, one instruction after one instruction sent to the processor. So like it is called serial computing. So 10 times instruction repeated one after other in serial fashion. So one by one it will be instruction. But in parallel computing, we have multiple processor 1, processor 2, processor 3, and they are working simultaneously. So speed will be fast. So this system will complete the same task in 1 by 10 time of the above system. So parallel computing is very fast compared to serial computing. So what are the advantage of parallel computing? So its first is it saves on time and the cost too. It makes it easier to solve larger or complex problem. Many problems are so large and or complex that is impractical or impossible to solve them on a single computer, especially given limited computer memory, like searching the web or mining big database or analyzing the big data. It provides efficient use of underlying hardware. It can utilize the resource available remotely. So these are the following parallel computing advantage. So today parallel computing are using very large and extensively. There is a related concept called threading. So a threading refers to dividing a program into independent units and then running these independent units as a separate process. Threads are created at software level. So to achieve parallel computing, problem or program is divided into small parts, and these are small parts are called threading, and these are individual units. They can be executed simultaneously on the process on separate process. So today we learned what is parallel computing and what parallel computing system does and how parallel computing can be achieved, and we understand working of parallel computing by this following diagram and advantages of parallel computing. What are the advantages of parallel computing? And we learned another new topic which is called threading.